Cameron Chardukian here with the Daily Developer Show, the show where we talk every single day about how you can become a better developer and how to optimize your lifestyle as a developer. Now, what I want to talk to you about in this video is what I call the Dylan Israel one-day burnout rule. Now, as you might infer from the name Dylan Israel, one-day burnout rule, this rule was not really coined or created by me. Actually, I picked up this rule when I was watching one of Dylan's videos. Dylan Israel is a software developer who makes tutorial videos, and he also has a weekly video. It's a weekly series called Ask a Dev, where he answers these questions about becoming a software developer or any other questions related to software development. Now, I can't remember which video it was. It might have been the video where he's talking about how many hours you should code a day. But he has a video where he says, yeah, listen, you should code about 4 hours a day, and, you know, that should be the normal, like, routine. And if you miss a day, you know, it happens. But if you get burnt out, maybe you can take a break, but when you get burnt out and you take a break, you should only take a break for 1 day. He says everybody gets burnt out from time to time, but only take a break for 1 day. And the reasoning behind that, what he said that really stuck with me, is he said, learning software development and becoming a developer is a difficult task. It is an achievable one, but it is one that's going to take a lot of hard work. And that's why he says, listen, dude, it's going to be a grind. That's why you're going to have to code pretty much every day. And, you know, if once a month, twice a month, maybe even 3 times a month, you get burnt out, you got to take a day off. It happens. Every couple of weeks you get burnt out, take a day off. That's okay. Take a 1-day break. But after that 1-day break, you got to come out of the gates and hit it running again and get your daily coding habit reestablished. So, you might have noticed that I took a 1-day break yesterday. Maybe it was because I didn't exercise. I couldn't sleep. So yesterday I just kind of went through the day and I was kind of like in a daze. Maybe that's partially. I don't want to use. I've been in the U.S. for like 9 days now, so I don't think I can use jet lag anymore. So I think I just got a bad night of sleep because I didn't exercise. And then I only got like 40 minutes of programming in. That was despite not really having anything else I needed to get done yesterday aside from programming. So, yeah, I only got like 2 hours of work in yesterday when I thought I was going to get like 6. But it happened. So I'm considering that my 1-day break. And I didn't record the Daily Developer Show at all. So that's my 1-day break. And for you, when that happens, just say, listen, I'm going to take my 1-day break. I kind of failed today, but tomorrow I'm going to get back on the horse. And after you take a 1-day break, or after you have a day where it just everything goes downhill, dude, the next day it's like life or death. You're like, gun to my head, I am going to do this. I'm going to make sure I get back on track. Now, don't actually kill yourself. I hope that goes without saying. But just take that mentality and, just hustle. So, I hope you found this video useful. Remember, this is the Daily Developer Show. Actually, I'm in the US right now, so I don't have my whiteboard. So that's why I haven't been recording any of the algorithm tutorial videos. But if you look on my GitHub repository, HackerRank Algorithms, you can find them if you're trying to practice algorithms. But when I get back to Vietnam, your brother over here is going to be doing more tutorials about algorithms, and there'll be more exciting news coming up soon. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next episode of the Daily Developer Show.